So in this video, guys, we are gonna be tagging 5 monkeys in a new update. Okay. I have to take off all my cosmetics. Let's get into it. Put it in ambush. Okay, let's get into this. Come on.
Dude, I'm so freaking stupid. Who are you chasing? Don't worry, what people? Dude, you're chasing right now. You have to be chasing him? Okay, nobody cares. Oh no.
Guys, I gotta leave because it's very much.
Yep, no.
Peace out.
Done. No, it's my kill.
What even is ambush? Oh
Boom. I'm gonna go back. 1.
no. Get him.
2. I'm so bad at this game, but don't mind me. Guys, we just have 3 more to go. Last time.
No phone on the boat. It's Julie O'Hara dress.
I saw somebody. Oh, I messed up. Oh, GG.
No, I missed it. Oh, stomp. Oh, stomp. Oh.
Hey, buddy.
No.
Oh my gosh, you scared the heck out of me. I'm sorry, bro.
God, no.
Try to walk
Where do you think you're going, buddy?
No. Anybody?
Where did he go? No, damn. Dang.
Yes.
Let's go. We don't talk about it. Fight back.
Everybody's tagged. What? Dude up here with the cowboy hat. Look what I'm doing. Hey, behind you. Behind you. Anybody on Stop a Stump? Look at me. I thought like 8 o'clock.
Oh, come on.
Wait. Check out the new worlds.
Oh. Got him. I just need 2 more lava. I need not lava monkeys. I need to tag more. Oh, okay, tag me. Where's the invisible monkey? Tag me. I know you're right there.
I can see you.
Tag me, invisible monkeys.
You're black.
Tag me.
You're blue. You're blue.
They just need 2 more.
Do I have
Okay.
a speed boost? Yes, I do have a speed boost, actually.
No,
it's not. No, yeah, he's kind of good. You got me. Someone else let's go.
We're just 4 now. No, that's mine.
Everywhere
Mine.
particle effect.
Yes, 4. 1 more.
wait, that makes
1 more.
What the frick is it?
No. I just need 1 more. We need 1 more, guys.
Right into me.
1 more.
I don't trust this. I don't like this.
Where's the invisible monkey?
I'm gonna randomly.
Guys, please. Invisible monkey, tag me, tag me, tag me. I'm right here on slide. Invisible monkey, tag me. Tag me. Invisible monkey.
Invisible monkey, I'm up here in treehouse. Come tag me. Ah, frick.
Tag me, invisible monkey. Tag me.
I don't like this because I can't see him, so I don't know if it's You monkey.
Oh my god. Tag me already.
Aw, dang. Easy. Invisible monkey, come get me up here. I really want to be it. Oh, I see your particles. Thank you.
Tag me, tag me.
No. Ooh. I think
There.
Gucci got it. I hear somebody.
I'm not even on the map. I don't even know where it is.
I didn't need one more. Sometimes I just gotta be box kind of.
I don't like this. It's someone
Got
can
him.
walk up
5.
and move me.
Let's go.
GG.
Finally, quit my life.
No way you juked me.
Oh yeah, I need to go to stupid coat.
Everywhere you walk.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be invisible. Not the camera, but okay. Using but okay. I've officially done it. That was pain in the neck, but I want to kill myself, but. I'm see-through. I'm a ghost. Haha. Bye! What's going on? Help me! Help me, please! I am not redoing. I'm gonna, yeah, wait until, Bro, what is going on? Guys, can you help me? I'm trying to end the dumb video, but I can't. When it's literally... Bye.